Alright, so we're going to look at a couple more things that came in. Not really getting much stuff in anymore, but still working on this project. I did fire up my Tech Bench live stream yesterday using the old video cameras. I got some better cameras, but it really didn't come in much better. Just the old security cameras just come in kind of crap. But this is my second one. Didn't realize what these were until after I got them. So this, now I understand them. So once you get something, then you understand it. So this, it's going to give me outdoor Wi-Fi, but you have to connect it to a cable. So I had to go out and buy some more cable. So this connects to a cable. I thought this was a unit. I was trying to set up the other one. I have two of them. This is my second one. So I want to get into the backyard and do some videos back there. So this doesn't connect to this Wi-Fi. This is a cable this way. So I had to get a little more cable. Actually, like 100 feet of it to get to the backyard. So this has a purpose. We're still playing around setting these. I set the other one up almost yesterday. So we know what that is. What else we got? I don't know what else I got. It's mostly just related to this little project I've been doing. Oh, wow, it's a big box for that. I know what this is. This is for my, what did I just do with it? I just chucked it. I'm always interested more in the box than the actual item. So it's two good boxes I have now. The other box too. I always reuse everything. So this is actually for a G6. It's a Flex. I got a few of these I'm using in Ubuntu with them for little projects. This is a G3, but it's still pretty cool for Ubuntu. This doesn't fit this one. This is only for a G6. It has a, so you can take out this Flex. They call it the Flex, and put it. I've got one with the other kind, this kind of thing. In order to get to HDMI, I have to use this adapter, which is a real pain. So we're gonna. This is gonna go in the other one. So that's fun. There's a little screw in there, two screws. I need the screws. Oh, we got a nice little note. Thanks for choosing second boot. See, I talk about this all the time. I think if you look at my eBay store, it says I've sold 29,000 parts, and I've done it all myself. So, in order to do these, this would probably cost $1 each. Say it's even 50 cents. So if I put one of these in 29,000 items over the years, how much is that going to cost me? Couldn't afford it. I use a rubber stamp. It's got, it just says 5-star feedback, thank you. And I stamp it every single time. And I've done it. I can reuse the same stamp. And I use it, the packing slip as my shipping slip. They always get a packing slip with a couple stamps on it. And I stamp the label itself too. But this is fun. This is great. Revive, review, reboot. Very cool. But there's no way I could afford those. I used to put little candies and things like that into orders. Try to be fun, but it's just too expensive. And now, and I'm not gonna go on a rant, but 2 ounces now. Postal Service is $8. 2 ounces, $8. So this in a box. Of course, I wouldn't use that giant box he had, but a small box. Some states, $8. So, actually, another good box. Man, so this may be my first gone to 3 of them and I haven't got one yet that I can play around with. So another good purpose. I don't think this has been used. So what this is this is an HDMI encoder. It's right up my alley for what I've been doing. Ooh, all kinds of goodies in there. Oh, maybe we get lucky with this one. Oh yeah, this is all. So what it does is it bypasses these 2 things. This is a video capture. I learned how to use this. This is what I've been using. You have to take the security camera, which is one of these here. Video HDMI out into this USB to the computer, Windows 11. And you can also HDMI out so you can see what's going on. Oh, HDMI in rather. And then when I get, so this brings the capture to the computer, and then OBS, which is a over broadcast system, and then that runs to YouTube. That's a whole daisy chain there. So what this does, and I haven't quite got one that I can check it out yet, but this, I think this will be it. This eliminates this and the computer, because now then the signal looks unused. I wish I could show the little thingies I get. This should give me, but it has to be plugged in by the Ethernet. Sort of thing. I had a Server Pro and it was outdated, didn't work anymore. That had a Wi-Fi to it. This one doesn't. So the security camera goes into here. Then I set this up, some sort of IP address, all kinds of goodies. So this is what we got, just a little mini thing here. So we'll check it out. Let's see. So it'll save a lot of energy and things running. I'll eliminate 2 things. I've been trying to get one of these. Some of them are really expensive. But I just wanted a cheap one just so I could play around with it. So we'll get to that. Not sure what this is for though. It's a thumb drive. I wonder why I got a thumb drive to support, not hot plug. So there'll be hopefully the instructions on how to do that. Quick start. There we go. So it's a fun thing. So we'll go get my tooth pulled, which I have to go figure out how to get there, and then we'll, depending on how I feel after that, we'll see where we're at. Play around some of this, some goodies here. We got that.